this point, I'll now go back and look at this SEO tick. We know our products page has got a blue SEO tick. And that's because if I go down now to SEO, we can see here that we've got a title tag and we've got a meta description. Title tag 70 characters, meta description 300 characters. If you're ever unsure, just like every feature on the mobile platform, there is help information, and it often includes a video. Sometimes it's just text, as you'll see here. It's not too much you can say on a meta description, but it does give you quirky information like Google increased it to 300 characters in December 2017. So there's bits to read on those descriptions there. So if you're ever unsure number of characters, just click the help icon. My best recommendation would be is to include a call to action in your meta description. Another common question that I get is, why isn't Google showing my whole meta description on the search engine results page? Sometimes it will show all of the title tag, but it doesn't always show all of the meta description. Sometimes you see a snippet from the actual page itself with a 3-dot ellipsis and then your meta description that you've written in here. And that's because Google's tracking things like hover attention, where people are on the page, and it might pull out what it feels is better information for your clicks. But invariably, if you take the time to put a call to action, then it might convert better. So here it says, click now to discover exclusive items from the last event, stock is low. Right, so an urgency or time limited call to action can actually help your conversion rate and can actually help to get better clicks than if someone else is in position 1, but you've got a nice quirky call to action or even a punchy joke in the title tag. People are more likely to click on your page. So that's where we handle the SEO title tag and description.